Honey, I thought I loved you, but I've fallen in love with another, so you're not coming home with me. I find you attractive and all, but the new Lexus RX has something you don't have. Actually, more than a couple of things you don't have. Acura MDX, you promised to make life easy for me, but you don't. And you know I love Alexa, and you won't even talk to her. Alexa. Alexa. Alexa! Alexa, start my new Lexus RX. Oh, and how much gas do I have?
Sure. Your Lexus is started, and your fuel level is critically low. Shall I provide directions to the nearest gas station?
You cost me more at the pump. You promised to make me comfortable. And you said that we would make sweet music together. I love my 835-watt, 15-speaker Mark Levinson Premium surround sound.
So let's talk safety. The Lexus RX features the Lexus Safety System Plus pre-collision system. Available adaptive front lighting that uses steering and speed sensors to direct the angle of low beam illumination, plus has available additional measures of safety such as parking and backup assist with auto braking.
So that's it. We're through. I'm done waiting for you to change. I'm upgrading. I'm going home with my new Lexus RX. Ta-ta. Why settle? Schedule your first date with the all-new 2019 Lexus RX.
Now available with 3 years of no-cost maintenance at Performance Lexus RiverCenter and in the Kings Auto Mall.